What is the difference after installing the 5mm spacers on your BMW G30? If you are confused about wanting your wheels to be flush with the fenders, but not sticking out too much, then the BONOSS 5mm BMW G30 wheel spacers are your best choice. We usually install 10mm on the front wheels and 5mm on the rear wheels of the BONOSS 5 series, and the overall effect is just the right amount of fullness. If you are worried that wheel spacers too thin will not be safe, then BONOSS can solve this problem. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size, from 3mm to 50mm. BONOSS BMW G30 wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will deform and endanger driver safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. Let's take a look at how to properly install 5mm wheel spacers on the rear wheels and before-after 5mm wheel spacers. For the BMW 5 series, with rear by 10mm front and 5mm rear, it is a magic formula for that factory, plus stance that turns head without screaming for action.